So on a separate plate, of course hindi nyo sisirain yung presentation, ano? And then you like to taste the persimmons, then you in a separate plate maghiwa kayo ng mga persimmons for the visitors to taste it. Suggestion ko lang yon. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all my subscribers. I'm back again. One of the objectives of my channel is to recreate God's creation. Mga nagiging inspirasyon. Ang mga artist kasi, karamihan ang mga artist, ang inspirasyon nila yung God's creation, ano? Yung people, nature, animals, yung flora and fauna. Ngayon, under the plants, ito yung persimmon. Walang katapusan talaga yung color orange, ano? Ang color orange talaga tumitingkad during winter time. Yung autumn, fall color kasi very prominent itong orange color, ano? Walang katapusan. So after the pumpkin, we have this pomegranate, persimmons, ano? Ito I did this drawing maybe 2 years ago, no? So I was inspired by the persimmons, ano? At saka lately gumawa din ako nitong ito, yung ginawa ko yan, no? 'Di ba? So these are watercolor drawings. So the reason why I reminisce this drawing, one of my friends gave us some of her persimmons. Galing yan sa sa puno niya yan, no? Marami. Isang basket yung binigay. So yung iba pinamigay ko naman. So ayan, no. Hindi ba medyo hawig dun sa ginawa kong drawing na persimmons, okay. So now, very common ngayon itong persimmon na to, oh, yan, lalaki yan. Okay. Today, kahit persimmons lang to, we can make it we can make the presentation beautiful, ano? Kasi maraming mga festivity ngayon, mga gatherings. So what I did, okay, let's set aside this. And then I have a plate here. And then let's do some presentation of this persimmon. So this is only one plate. Mga colored paper lang to. So dyan, okay. So itong what I am doing is from drawing to arts and to craft. This is arts and craft, consider arts and crafts. Now I have here isang simple lang to. Itong mga little things na to, it attracts the table, the dining table, ano. So, of course, Nakakadagdag din to sa beauty ng table if you will make something like this, ano. Mga ano lang to, simple little things to make the table attractive. Kasi because of the color at saka yung presentation. Set aside this. Okay. Kasi sa classroom, madalas meron kaming mga birthday. Yung assistant teacher ko, gumagawa siya ng mga ganito to decorate the table. So, mga simpleng activity lang to. Yan. Okay. Simple activity. And then, lagay mo to dito. Yan, ano. And then, to make it colorful, let's add some ito. Mga galing lang sa refrigerator to, guys. Singit-singit dyan. So, instant lang ang pagkakagawa ko nito. Dahil my friend came to my house and give me this, ano. Yung aking assistant teacher mahusay sa mga ganito. O, yan. O, yan. Yan. Voila. Pwede nyo pang dagdagan ng kung ano-anong mga anik-anik dyan na nasa refrigerator nyo. Ito, napakasimple lang. Very quick lang na gawin. Ganyan siya, oh. Diba? Very simple lang. Kasi, this time, maraming mga, holidays, mga gatherings. So, yan. Simple lang yan. O, isa lang yan na persimmon. No? Isa lang na persimmon yan. So sa isang plate, isang persimmon siguro, and then dagdagan nyo ng mga anik-anik. Dahil our teacher ako, I have here some, yung mga recycled. Okay, set this aside. Ito kasi recycled to, oh. So we can make leaves out of this. Ano? So, combination niya ng put it here. Ay, ito. So, mga ganyan, no? I mix it with, yung marami tayong mga colorful papers dyan. Colorful artwork, colorful, different colors of, then you can add something like this. Oh, yan, oh. Yan. Simple lang yan. Sandali lang gawin. Kung gusto nyong mag-add ng color sa table, yeah, you can do a lot of things. You can mix it with friends. You can mix it with paper. Mga ano lang to, di ba? Simple lang yan, guys. Okay. I hope you enjoy watching it at meron kayong natutuhan kahit a little things that you can apply in your lalo ngayon maraming mga handaan So simple lang yan. Punta lang kayo doon sa refrigerator nyo, marami kayong makukuha. Well, thank you very much to my friends who gave me this bunch of persimmon. Sila merong persimmon, kami merong pomegranate. So, thank you very much. Bye-bye. Keep safe and bless you all. Oh guys, lahat ng mga ginawa ko, mga simple lang yan. Kayang-kaya nyong gawin yan. Ilabas nyo ang creativity nyo. You don't need to be a culinary artist to do this. Buksan ang refrigerator, kahit anong meron doon. Dagdagan nyo lang ng mga paper, color paper. Guys, these are the materials that I used. Diba mga mga simple lang yan. Yan yan lang ang ginamit. Yan lang. So, lahat tayo merong creativity. The only thing like I told you, gamitin natin, dig it, find it, use it, and share it. So, more to come. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it if you kindly do likes and then write some insights, thoughts, opinions about this video. For this, it will give me an inspiration to do more. Thank you very much to all my subscribers, local and overseas.